And the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has given the tax cuts a thumbs up. IMF chief to Jamaica gave her remarks in a press briefing this afternoon.
These tax cuts are feasible because of the expanded tax base that has been achieved through commendable efforts in both tax policy and tax revenue administration. Overall, these budget measures are expected to lower the cost of doing business, reduce informality, and increase economic activity.
The IMF said the implementation of the reform programs remains strong and is yielding tangible benefits for Jamaicans. The IMF also pressed the government to carry through public sector reform and added that it should include a new compensation framework that rewards performance. The Wholeness Administration was also pushed to implement reforms to prevent
swiftly
corruption.
and forcefully addressing the shortcomings in the governance of public bodies, including those identified in the Auditor General's report on Petrojam, is critical to enhance transparency and accountability, reduce the scope for corruption, bolster trust in public institutions, and protect public funds.
The IMF team were in the island from February 25 until earlier this evening, reviewing Jamaica's progress under the standby agreement. The review ended with the country getting a passing grade and now having access to $1.4 billion, but none has been drawn down to date.